Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to create your equipment owner profile and set up your account settings. To begin, select the Login/Sign Up button in the top right corner and select Sign Up. Choose the Sign Up as Owner option. On the left-hand side of the page, there is a list of information you will need in order to create your profile. Next, enter your email and name. Continue filling in the registration details that are required, and then wait for SharePlant to approve your account. Don't forget to agree to our terms and conditions, and if you want, sign up to our newsletter for regular SharePlant Rentals updates. Also, make sure to upload a valid ID document. Look out for an email notifying you of your account approval. Now that your account has been approved, you will be asked to verify your account through your email. Fill in your login details and you will be taken to the website's homepage. Select your profile in the top right-hand corner and click on Dashboard. Once in your dashboard, go to Profile and then Account Settings. Next, fill in all the details. Please add bank details to receive payments. You have now completed your profile and account setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.